Hey guys over at Constructive Project Management. My name is Calvin Burkhart and I work with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds, a digital marketing agency. And I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website and I figured I'd shoot you guys over this quick little video to go over 3 things that I can see that you guys can do to start beating out your competition online. I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either, so I'll keep this video nice and short. But if by the end of this video you like what I have to say and you can tell that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help grow your business online, and that's something that you're interested in, please give me a call and we can chat. Or if you'd like to just use these tips that I've given you to help increase your online business yourself, that's okay too. All I ask is some feedback on this video. So let's jump into it. The 3 things I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. So first things up is content. That's basically anything that you can see on your front page is considered content that I have highlighted, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and also what's behind the pictures could be included in as content. And so typically we like to see about 1,500 words of content right on the front page. And I know that does sound a little bit wordy, but the reason why is you want to have enough words right on your front page so that way you can work in some keywords or some key phrases that people are going to be using to try and search for your services or the services that you offer, even if they don't necessarily know your branding. So that's the first tip I got for you guys today, is just to have enough unique authoritative content on your front page that includes a lot of keywords and key phrases that you're wanting to be found for in the search engines. Now the second tip I'm going to go over is citations. So if I do a search here, I use the tool to kind of emulate what a search would be in your area off a Android phone. And so if I do roofing contractor out in Miamisburg, the first thing that you're going to see is Google Guaranteed. So this is something new that Google's started over the last couple of years. And if you're not already currently listed in here, I would recommend taking the time to get listed in there. It is paid advertising, but you get a lot less garbage calls or garbage leads than you would on traditional ads. So right underneath that, Google Guaranteed, you got the traditional ads. And once again, these are just more people that are paying to be on the top of the Google search engine for that term. And these are hit or miss because nowadays a lot of people are using ad blockers, and some people just don't even click on the ads because maybe they had a bad ad experience in the past. So citations, what is a citation? Well, it has a lot to do with this map section here, and it's essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the web. So you might be asking yourself, what's a directory and how do I get listed in those? Well, a directory is something like Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp, any one of those online sources that allow businesses to list their information in there. Sometimes they're free, sometimes they cost some sort of subscription to get in there. But the idea here is if you want to really beat out your competition in the map section, you want to make sure that you're out there grabbing the same citation or directory listings that your competition's listed in, but you don't want to just stop there. In order to truly beat them out, you want to make sure that you're adding more than them. And so that's tip number 2, having to do with citations in this map section here. Now the last thing I want to go over with you is having to do with this organic section underneath the maps, and that's backlinks. And so what a backlink is, when you look at the web, all you see is a bunch of websites that are linking back and forth to one another. And so that's essentially what a backlink is. It's one website that has a link back to your website saying that you guys offer the services that you guys offer. Now, if I go into a tool I like to use here called Ahrefs, this is not 100% accurate or up to date. They do purchase their information from Google, but it is on their own algorithm scale. And as I can see here, you guys have 13 referring domains, giving you guys 87 backlinks. If I go in here, I can find out what websites you're currently listed on, like MapQuest, that would be a citation, Local Reach, another citation. And same thing with Business Finder. So if I look at your keywords here, let me go back. It's showing that you're getting found for 3 organic keywords, which is not currently bringing you any organic traffic at the moment. And if I look at what those are, it's constructive management and CPM landscaping, and both of those are on the 3rd page and beyond. And so if I look at some of your competition, like youramericanroof.com, for example, you can see that they have a lot more referring domains, giving them a lot more backlinks, and in return they're getting found for more keywords and getting more organic traffic to their website each month, so they're not having to pay for ads. This is all organic. So if I go in here, I can take a look at some of the keywords that they're ranking for. Obviously some of their name brand stuff, but roof repair Dayton, Ohio, I'm sure is relevant to you. Roofers Dayton, Ohio, Dayton roofing, roofing Dayton, etc. So you can tell that they really have thought about the keywords and the key phrases that they're wanting to be found for, and they put something into action to reach that by giving themselves more ways that customers can find them using backlinks and citations. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Those are 3 tips that I wanted to cover. Once again, my name is Calvin Burkhart. I work with Mr. and Mrs. Leads, and just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you'd like to know more about how myself or Mr. and Mrs. Leads can help grow your business online, please reach out to me and we can chat. Or please take these tips that I've given you and use them for yourselves. All I ask is for some feedback. Thanks again for your time, and you guys have a great day.